In the previous video, we created in our fixed array class two methods called linear traversal and reverse traversal that print the elements in order. In today's video, we will go through inserting elements into our fixed array. Now, before we continue with insertion, I would like to pinpoint that I added read only to length because we cannot change the length, because if we would do that, we would collide with our items array out of bounds. So let's get to the insertion. What is insertion? Insertion is like a set method that sets and indexes a value, but with a difference that all elements after it are shifted to the right. What I mean is I will show now. Public void insert in index in item, and we set the index as item, and we do a collision uncheck. Plus index modulo length, and here we do also modulo length, and when we do a loop for 0 equals length -1, I is greater equal 0, I negative, and we put items I equal to items I -1. Oh, pardon. Here is greater than index modulo length. And this should be it. Now how it works, we will show it in our main program. Since we don't need both traversals, we will just use the linear traversal. We will insert element at beginning, value 100. Then we will insert an element at the end called -100. We will insert an element at, let's say, 14. No, let's say 13. And we will do 1300. And we can do again a fixed array linear traversal. Let me just compile the code. Execute it. And we can see that our element we inserted at the end is not visible, because after we inserted 1300, which was this element, the fourth, it shifted the value that was here to the right, and then the -100 disappeared. For additional explanation, I can add like traversal after each iteration. Let me just compile again. And let me execute. We can see exactly what is going on. We have the initial values. When we add 100 at the beginning, and all elements are shifted, so we lose this value. When we add negative 100 at the end, all values stay. And when we add 1300 here, this value goes to the end and negative 100 is lost. So this is it for insertion.